Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make my meatloaf, which is very juicy and packed with flavor. In today's video, I'll be using 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound ground pork, half a cup of milk, a quarter cup breadcrumbs, 1 pack meatloaf mix, 1 pack mushroom gravy mix, a quarter cup chopped onions, a quarter cup bell peppers, a quarter cup parsley, 1/4 cup green onions, 1 egg, juice of a quarter of a lime, onion and garlic powder, ground clove, cracked black pepper, parsley flakes, as well as ketchup and barbecue sauce of your choice. Also 2 tablespoons of epis. For a video on how I make my epis, please click the link in the description box below. In a large mixing bowl, add all the ingredients, but do not add the ketchup and barbecue sauce. After all the ingredients are in the mixing bowl, go ahead and mix until everything is incorporated. On a baking sheet lined with foil, go ahead and add the meat mixture. Form this into a shape of a loaf. Cover the meatloaf with barbecue sauce and ketchup of your choice. Place in the oven that has been preheated for 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 1 hour. Allow to cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. And there you have it, the way I make my meatloaf. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, tasteofk_. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.